Hi there, this is Ayan. In this video, we will create another game art. It's like a pond, a portal, a magical thing. Not sure, whatever you want to call it. It looks complicated maybe, but trust me, it's very easy to create such thing. I will show you how to start with simple shapes and get it done. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start with creating a basic ellipse shape and give it a color. Get rid of the borders and then duplicate the layer, bring it down, make it a bit bigger and change the color. Let's duplicate the layer again, bring it down and change the color to a bit darker. Let's create a new layer and select the edges with rectangular marquee tool. We just select the edges and with a brush tool with hard round edge, we color on both sides to make it look like a disc. Now let's create another layer on top of all the layers and select it. With a soft edge brush, change the color to black and paint it like that to create an illusion of depth. Select the brush tool again and on a new layer, let's draw a few lines to create a brick layout. On the same layer, let's match those lines and draw them on sides as well. Take your time to fix the lines and finish them nicely. Select the topmost ellipse and add an outer glow effect to it. On a new layer on top of the edges we made, we will paint with some lighter and darker color with brush tool to make it just look a bit more realistic. For the aura rings, rather than using the pen tool, which is a bit complicated for starters, we can create ellipse shape again and then select it and move it and then select again and delete from the selection of that layer. That will give us the outer ring shape. Then scale it and position it as per you want. Duplicate the same shape and flip it horizontally and position all of those. Now let's add color overlay and outer glow effect to all these shapes. Let's create a sparkle by making a square shape and then rotate it and draw lines over it. Make the edges softer by erasing a bit and a bit of outer glow to it. Now duplicate the same and place it everywhere, changing the rotations and size. To create the rays, which are pretty easy to make, we will start by drawing few lines with brush tool and add blur to it. With the eraser tool, let's erase some sharp edges and draw a few more on the sides. Same way like we did earlier. Let's duplicate it and resize and move it on the other sides. And our ray is ready to be used. Let's duplicate it again and move and position them all around the disk. Once we are done with all the positioning and moving and we are happy, select all these ray layers and merge them. Select the inside ellipse and then inverse the selection so that we get the outer portion of that selection, and we will erase there with the eraser tool. Let's add Gaussian blur and some color correction with the curves. On a new layer, select the soft edge brush and draw with a light blue color to get the glowing effect on the rays. And then with the eraser tool, again with soft edges, erase the top edges. Let's do some final touches here and there, and we have our magical portal or a pond, again whatever you feel like calling it, is ready. If you enjoy the content and found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel. And that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. I will see you on my next one. Until then, stay tuned and make sure you keep creating.